What's up, guys? More Medic One. Hey, listen, I'm doing just a little bit of maintenance on the old work truck, and I tell you what, I have my my Milwaukee underhood light on my hood here. I had to move it back because if I had it, you know, in this position here, I put the that light in that position, and I guess it weighs a little bit too much. And I turn around and wham! My hood just slammed down on my light there. And luckily it didn't damage anything, you know, no plastics were broken or anything like that. But the reason it did that, and let me show you, are these little inexpensive, we always just called them gas struts. And they do get worn out. This is the first time that I've ever replaced these on this truck. And you can tell right here, it's a little oily, and that just means that all of the push power or all of the staying power is gone, and the hood won't stay open with that much weight on it. So we're going to replace these, and I'm going to show you how to do it. It's so super simple, it'll make your head swim. Check this out. First thing you need to do is just, you know, make sure you got a prop. I'm just using an old broom handle. But what you do, and the only tool you need for this job, is a pocket screwdriver. So you're just going to go basically up underneath this little spring clip right here. And get up under it and just pull it off. Set that to the side, and right up here is going to have another one. Let's see if I got it in frame here. And it's basically the same thing. All you've got to do is just pry that spring clip off. And I'm just going to leave that one dangling. I'm not even going to take it completely off. So now you can basically take your hand and undo it from there, and from the bottom down here. And it'll come right off. Now, if your little trailer hitch is worn out, then you might want to think about replacing it. This one is just held on by a nut on the other side. It's not such a good deal for the other bracket, because it's part of your, this one is actually part of this whole hood arm. Now the most of these are vehicle specific. If you got something that you can't find struts for, you can also buy these, you know, by length. This one just happens to be a vehicle specific, and there's the part number right there, XO001 K9H595. And guys, I'll put a link in the description below. This fits all 10th generation F-150s, Expeditions, things like that. Let's go ahead and get them undone here. And they'll come new, already installed, the little clips for your application. You don't have to take these off. Focus, please. Now these new struts come with the little spring clips. Leave them on there. All you have to do is push over the little ball joint, and there's a little bit of grease down in the pocket already, so you don't have to worry about that. Go ahead and get your new one, and we're just going to push it over until it clicks, just like that. Take your left hand and kind of raise the hood up just a little bit, and then click this one in, just like that. And look at there, one of those keeps the hood up. Let's get the other side installed. Just like the other side, just push it on. And we're going to raise the hood just a little bit. To get this one to go. Just like that. This is the easiest repair I've done all day. If y'all don't have one of these underhood lights, holy moly, even just working on during the daylight, sometimes you need just a little bit of extra down in there to see what you're doing. This is the, the 12 volt Milwaukee M12 lithium light, and man, this thing is just neat as all get out. The light moves back and forth. You can twist the light in any direction, and it uses all your 12 volt lithium batteries upwards. You can put the bigger batteries on there as well, and it just lasts twice as long. Alrighty guys, hey, short and sweet little video. I'm going to go ahead and finish up the oil change on the old F-150 here. And guys, I hope this was informative. Hey, if it helped you out, give me a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. And while you're there doing that, go ahead and click that bell so that you get all my new videos. Y'all have a good rest of your day. More Medic 1.